Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall this hood scoop on this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If you have parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to pop the hood, a little lever right here next to the footrest. Pull that out. And then from the center eye in Mini, it's about 9 inches over here. There's a lever, you just push up right on that to release the hood. We're gonna take this Torx screw out. It's a T25. I'm gonna use an extension and a ratchet. This is pretty loose, I'll just do it by hand. Take that screw out. Pull the hood down slightly, and with a trim tool, plastic trim tool, be careful around the paint. We're going to pry under here and release these lock tabs. Just go around here, just like that. There should be one right there. And then also over here on the side, right there. That one's missing, and right there. If you wanted to take this grill off of the hood scoop, you could take these 4 screws out, pull that off. To reinstall this, just gonna line up the push tabs, push pins into position and lock it down, just like that. Take this Torx screw and our Torx bit and snug it up. Just take the ratchet. Just snug, not too tight.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.